Hi friends, this is D. Srinivas in front of you. Today I am going to discuss with you about the solved example of coordinate geometry. Solved example depends on which one we have to discuss previously. Based on that basics only, we are going to complete this table and concept of coordinate geometry. First question: using this graph, using this table, write the values of this box: abscissa, ordinate and coordinates of A, B, C, D respectively. In what way we have to do? In easiest manner I am going to explain. Let us see the both side. Yes, already I told you, a point in a plane, a point in a Cartesian plane. Yes, the point is in a Cartesian plane. The distance of the point from the y-axis is called x-coordinate. From the x-axis is called y-coordinate. Both are called as abscissa and ordinate. As you know very well in our previous video, right? Let us the concept I am applying here. See now. Yes, this point A, B, C, D are located 4 different regions. And point we can write simply. Yes, 4. On x-axis value is 4 and y-axis value is 3. The value of point A, the pair of point A, 4, 3. Next, B, on x-axis is -2 and y-axis is 4. -2, 4. Next, what about C? Simply we can say that on x-axis we see first one -3, then we go with the y-axis also -3. -3 in third region. Next, what about D? Order pair values. On x-axis we have to see 3 and y-axis we have to see -2. After writing this all the order pairs on the graph paper, you can write the abscissa and mantissa values are very easy. Before that, I want to tell you one important note. If any point in a Cartesian plane, the distance of a point P from x-axis is called y value. You can take it. From the y-axis is called, you can take x coordinate. That's it, right? Here from the point A, from the y-axis, this point first I am going to find x value first. Suppose from the y-axis this length is what, 4. So that is the reason x value is 4. From the x-axis, this is called y value. From the y-axis is called x coordinate, abscissa. From the x-axis is called y coordinate or called ordinate also. Chalo. Here x is -2, y is 4. Here x is -3, y is also -3. Here x equals to 3, y equals to -2, children. Then you can fill the box. Few seconds. Chalo. Abscissa of A 4. Abscissa of B -2. Abscissa of C -3. Abscissa of D 3. Next, ordinate of A, second value y. Ordinate of B, y value is 4. Ordinate of C, y value is -3. Ordinate of D, y value is -2. Then he is asking coordinate. Simple. 4, 3. -2, 4. -3, -3. 3, -2. Okay. This is your answer. Like that we have to write so many solved example by taking the table. We have to fill it without any tension. But first you should understand, from the x-axis that is y value, from the y-axis that is called x value. Keep in your mind. Okay. I hope you have to understand this problem, and we should go for next such a good question. See, let us see such a second model question in coordinate geometry. Now plot the points in a rectangular coordinate system. We should only plot the points. In first example, what we have to done? Yes, we have done it by taking the table. We solve the order pairs. Okay. Now here order pairs are given. We have to plot in this graph. Here, dear viewers, first you have to observe. This is called x value. Second one is y value. Now take it here x comma y, here x comma y, here also x comma y. X is nothing but abscissa, x coordinate. That is distance from the y-axis. What is the distance from the y-axis? 2 units. from this is y axis. How many units? 2 units. Yes, this is called 2 units. Here one is called distance from the x axis. Distance from the x axis, like this. So that the point will be located here. 2, 1. The point will be located here in Q1 only. Q1 only because both are positive only. The name of the point you can take it here A. A was completed. Next, minus 2, 2. Minus 2, 2. By the knowledge of quadrant, minus plus second quadrant. OX dash minus OY is plus. Minus plus second quadrant. So that this point will be located here only. Minus 2. Distance of minus 2. Here x axis minus 2. Here y. Distance from the x axis 2. 2. Here and here. Yes. The second point is located here. The name of the point is B. Now what about third point? Both are having negative signs. Simple, every student will be say, sir, it is third quadrant because minus minus. OX dash is negative, OY dash is also negative. Both are minus. It is located in third quadrant. Here minus 3. From the y axis is minus 3. Minus 2 from the x axis is minus 2. So that the point is located here, it seems. The name of the point is C. First point is A, B, C. Now we are going to do last point. 4 minus 3 plus 4 minus 3 plus minus which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. 4. Distance from the y axis. Distance from the y axis is 4 units. Here this is 4. Minus 3. Distance from the x axis is minus 3. So these 2 points are located here. The name of the point is D. Okay. Now your answer is completed. Now very important thing is that scale. On x axis, on y axis. On x axis 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter is equals. On x axis 1 centimeter is equals. I have taken a number line 1 unit only. On y axis also I have taken here 1 unit only, 1 centimeter equals. This is the scale of u. So the procedure of this problem I should explain in 5 seconds. Let us see. First, what is the questions are given in the question paper. First you should observe where is ordinate, where is abscissa. First one is abscissa, second one is ordinate. X is, we should locate the x here. We have to think the x value is distance from the y axis. Okay. Y value is distance from the x axis. So that 2, 1. 2 is here, 1 is here. Distance from the y axis, distance from the x axis. These two are located at here. Like that B, like that C, like that D. We have to locate it in a Cartesian plane. The scale you should write, don't forget it here. Such kind of these questions. Okay. Now like these questions I should give now to you. Let us solve it and gain the good knowledge of about solved example of coordinate geometry. And my next class I am going to explain such a beautiful topic, that is nothing but distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points. This is useful for especially 10th class students in board exams. Keep learning, but don't forget, please subscribe my channel.